This area is called a lek. That's a Nordic word for dance floor. It's a place where the male grouse gather together every spring to dance for the female grouse.
What's that?
That is the start of the show.
Look at him.
Ah, the tail fan, a signature grouse dance move.
They're even making music.
That's caused by the grouse inflating and deflating their throat sacs. And looks like they're attracting some attention. That's the female grouse, half the size of the males. Time for the real show to begin.
Look, Benji.
Oh, check out that guy. He's doing the lek limbo.
Why's it all gone quiet?
I've no idea. Whoops. Billowing blobfish. They've spotted us. They won't dance if they know we're watching.
Why not?
Well, they might feel embarrassed. Sorry, Sullivan. Looks like we got up early for nothing.
Maybe we should pretend we're not watching.
Huh?
Maybe we should dance. Then they might start again too.
Haha, very funny, young Sullivan. You're serious? Oh, no. I can't dance.
Just give it a try, Benji. For the grouse.
Okay, shipmate, let's give it a go.
This is our very own lek.
So, what do we do?
Go like this.
Like this?
That's it. And then you can try something else. Just move about.
I call this move the frog. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit.
Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit.
Actually, this is really quite fun, once you get the hang of it.
And it's working, Benji. We've even got a beat.
There's only one dance to go with that.
The sailor's jig.
Ho-ho! You were right, Sullivan. You just have to try. Turns out we're quite the movers.
Just like the grouse.
It's not only the dance of the greater sage-grouse on show today, it's the dance of Sullivan and Benji too.